Sri Radha Shyam Sundar, ISKCON founder, Srila Prabhupada, and the congregation in Naperville of Illinois. I would like to welcome all of you and our chief guest here. So please give a big round of applause and welcoming our chief guest here, Hema Malini ji, and His Grace Gautam Prabhu. So I'll just speak a few words. And actually, today's event is not a very formal event. It's supposed to be a very small and I would like, if I would encourage everybody to please sit down if you could. And you can grab a few chairs if you want to bring it in front. That's fine too. So in every generation, there are individuals that carry the light of tradition into the modern world. And these are also the people who serve as bridges between ancient wisdom and our everyday practical life. So tonight, we are deeply honored to be in the presence of two such luminaries who need no introduction. And so this is actually a very difficult task. Is how do you introduce somebody who doesn't need any introduction? So I'll try to make a very small attempt here and introducing the very first luminary that we have here. So she first graced our screens as India's dream girl, but over the decades, Hema Malini ji has become a symbol of dharma in action. An iconic actress, yet with more than 150 films to her name, but also a lifelong student, practitioner and teacher of Bharatanatyam, using her art to express timeless stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Puranas. Off the screen, she has lived a life of service and spiritual alignment. As a member of the parliament, representing none other than Mathura. She has championed women's rights, cultural heritage and rural development, always with dignity and devotion. She is also a proud devotee of Lord Krishna, and her performance like Krishna Leela and Meera have moved audiences, not just artistically but also spiritually. And let's be honest here. All of us would like to take a break after a long day, but here is a person who, very seamlessly moves onto the stage. Is able to address the parliament and then attend to all of the social obligations, and still manages to look like she has just walked out of a dream. So I would like to, again, Hema Malini ji is visiting us to support our fundraising event that is happening through this weekend in for this temple here in ISKCON Naperville. And this temple is a place of education. It's a place of education to learn about how to love God. A place where we can share, we can care, and we can also serve. And so we are also supporting the cause of our acharyas here. And so, in our efforts to establish this place, we couldn't think of a better proponent to invite and help us build this temple. So with that, again, I would like to ask you all to give a round of applause and welcome Hema Malini.
Let me speak just a few words.
Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Ram Ram. Hare Hare. Coming back to Naperville, Radha Shyam Sundar Ji Mandir, it looks as if I come back to my own home. Having taken development improvement has taken place, and you all have worked very hard. I congratulate all the devotees who have been totally involved in bringing up this temple. And when I see Radha Shyam Sundarji, it looks as if I am in Mathura. Just recently we celebrated 50 years of Vrindavan temple in Vrindavan. It's beautiful it was. I participated with all of you. And very soon we should celebrate like that every 10 years here also. Hard it is to bring up a temple. It's not a joke. And Prabhupadaji's desire to have temples all over the world. And today I think more than 2,000 temples are there all over the world. And I have been to many of the temples in every country, whether it is Australia or England and Africa, or of course in US. My favorite place is Los Angeles. I keep going there, but every visit I must visit the Los Angeles temple. So I feel very nice being there. So you feel at home. So whenever you feel a little homesick, then I go to the temple here. And Lord has given me the opportunity to serve everybody. Just now you are praising me about me as an artist, as a dancer, and also as a politician. So I have gained so much of a name and fame, not just like that. It's the blessing of the Lord, because He wants me to do these things. Of course, you should have the urge to do, and then He helps you out. So whatever desire you have, it happens with His blessings. So I am chosen to help build many of the temples. So I feel so glad that I became a part of it. So we very recently at Mumbai, Karghar, we opened a very beautiful Radha Mohan temple. Radha Mohan temple that was. And it took very long time, 9 years to build, come up in a big way. Right from the day one I have been part of it. So every ISKCON temple, not every, most of them, so they come to me, so I try my best to be with you and help. And the Radha Mohan temple in Karghar is something exceptionally very, very beautiful. The architecture and the beauty of the temple, and this place is such a wonderful place. And already so lakhs of people have started coming, and it was inaugurated by Modi ji himself. That Mathura is my constituency, and a member of parliament from Mathura. And in my constituency, a very big Vedic university is coming up, which is also Prabhupadaji's desire to have a university where they will be teaching Vedic knowledge to the children. So there are many from all over the world. In my constituency, so I feel very proud that I am connected with ISKCON right from the day one, and it's growing bigger and bigger. And the best part is that all people from any religion are participating and having a nice time here, learning our culture, our Sanatana Dharma. So, and all the devotees I congratulate for helping this temple coming up. And very little more has to be done, which that is why we are here today, to participate and meet many of the donors who have come forward to help in your place in Chicago. So many Indian Americans are there. They have significantly contributed a lot to the US economy, society. So you have brought a big name for our country. So, and you are the donors here. And I am sure that this temple will get completed very soon. With the Gopuram and all, that is there. First of all, I asked him, the temple has got a Gopuram or not? Especially abroad. Because I think it is a difficult task, right? So, but I am so happy that we are having Radha Shyam Sundarji here, and he will bless and then I'm sure this is going to happen very fast. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Ramanaji. So again, now I would like to very quickly also introduce another luminary. This is Gaurav Prabhu. Again, he requires no introduction, and he's been a very long-standing devotee in ISKCON, serving 30 plus years. He's responsible for representing, building and envisioning the Govardhan village right outside Mumbai. So any of you, if you haven't been to Govardhan village, you have to visit Govardhan village to understand the amount of effort that is gone in there. So again, very happy to have you, Gaurav Prabhu, once again, for coming here and helping us with this fundraising. So we're going to move on with the kids' activities. I would like to ask the boys to, the kids to come in and
So I wish to thank Numalji for coming all the way here from Bharat to encourage and inspire the devotees here at Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar Temple, ISKCON of Naperville. She's been always supportive of ISKCON's activities globally, and her constituency Mathura is where Shri Prabhupada established in 1975 Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar Mandir Krishna Balram Temple. So from Radha Shyam Sundar in Vrindavan, she has come to Radha Shyam Sundar in Naperville. Thank you very much. I also wish to acknowledge the wonderful contribution of His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, who has always been very instrumental in engaging many influential personalities in the cause of Srila Prabhupada and ISKCON, and he was one of the pioneers in connecting with Hema Malini and involving in various activities across the world of ISKCON. So I just conclude by saying that when Srila Prabhupada was asked, why do ISKCON build so many temples? Is it that you want to get everybody and leave their home and bring them inside the temple? Like one of the brahmacharis who joined Chopati many years ago, his father came and he was arguing with me. मेरा लड़का क्यों ज्वाइन हो गया इतना कम उम्र में? वो हमारे उम्र का होगा तब ज्वाइन होना चाहिए. तो I told him, बेटे को जाने दो, आप ज्वाइन हो जाओ. He said, घर पे पूछ के बताता हूँ. Next day he came and said, बेटे को ही ले लो. So Srila Prabhupada said, the reason we build these temples is not because you can come and stay permanently in the temple, but because you can come get inspired by the ambience in the temple and transform each and every home into a temple. That's the reason. And therefore, we are so grateful to Hema Malini ji that through her beautiful art expression of music and dance, she is demonstrating the very essence of Lord Chaitanya's mission, which is Sankirtan. And therefore, Srila Prabhupada said you can transform every home into a temple by doing three things: introducing Krishna Naam, introducing Krishna Katha, and introducing Krishna Prasad. Just these three simple activities and your home becomes a temple, and we are grateful that important, influential personalities like Hema Malini are using their influence for the right cause of Sanatana Dharma, because how we use our influence and our fantastic abilities is what counts, and therefore Krishna consciousness is not about changing your actions, but it's about transforming your intentions and then ultimately creating the most impactful actions. And therefore, I'm very grateful to Shyam Prabhu and all the wonderful devotees here at ISKCON Naperville, including Premananda Devi, for introducing this beautiful oasis in the middle of the Kali Yuga in Naperville by bringing Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar Temple. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
So now we will have the kids' performance.
जाने का अवसर मिला। जो मथुरा में हमारे बहुत बड़े गोस्वामी जी हैं, श्रीवत्स गोस्वामी जी, उन्होंने मुझे प्रोत्साहित किया और जो वेरी टफ संस्कृत का है वो मैंने गाया है, वो मैं आपको लिंक भेज दूँगी तो आप सुनाइए सबको, लेकिन आई कैन जस्ट सिंग वन फर्स्ट लाइन। अच्छा वो देखा है ओके। आनंद लीला मय विग्रहाय हेमा दिव्य छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So I would like you to play that. Thank you so much.
here to the left.
चलो चलो
Please come, all the organizers, please come. Mataji ke teachers, please come. Everybody, yes, please. Okay. It's okay to be greedy on pictures. Okay, please come. Aye, yeah. All teachers, please come.
Shri Shri Radha Shyam Sundar ki.
Alright, so one of the teachers, alright, thank you. Alright, so now, Haribo!
So I would like to conclude this event here upstairs, and now we'll be heading down. Before which I want to ask Shyam Prabhu to look forward to the next few instructions.
This is for next half an hour or so, we will have a very informal interaction with Hemaji, Gauranga Prabhu, and also we have Rajiv Satyal. Rajiv Satyal is our MC for tomorrow, so he is here with his mom. Please give a big hand for Rajiv ji. So what we are going to do right now, we'll first sit down, make yourself comfortable wherever you are. Find any place, there is no formal. But Dr. Gupta, Manjuji, please sit with me. You can be a guardian, please all sit down. Give a big hand to both of you. Hemaji and Gauranga Prabhu, and also we have Rajiv Satya, Rajiv, okay, Rajiv is serving. Okay, good. Already engaged in the service, so that's what we need. Thank you. And Rajiv needs a lot of introduction, but Rajiv is a comic. He is kind of comedian, so we can he's always ready, right?
Yes.
Always ready to throw something. Are you ready? You want to throw something?
I'll just say hello, yeah. Okay, good. All right. Okay, where do I stand? Because the speaker feedback is going on, but Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. All right, wonderful to be here. My name is Rajiv Prabhu. I guess Rajiv Prabhu today. So that's what everybody calls each other on the Zoom, so now I'm Rajiv Prabhu. So big round of applause for Hema Malini ji. What a lovely performance we saw and speech. And also, of course, we have a similar thing here, so this is good. This is, I always miss this spot in the back, so I'm becoming divine, I think, myself, so this is good. It's wonderful to be here. We're looking forward to the program tomorrow. We want to thank all the donors and all the people who have helped make the ISKCON Temple what it is today here in Chicagoland area and beyond. So looking forward to tomorrow. I'll save the jokes for tomorrow. But we are looking forward to it, and very much looking forward to performing and having a good time, and above all else, raising some good funds. You're going to hear that from me tomorrow. I'm going to sound like a broken record, but we will raise a lot of good funds for tomorrow. We were talking about this, right, on the elevator. Yeah, we need to do that. So I'll turn it back over to Shyam Prabhu, but thank you very much for having me, and God bless.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much. And for ISKCON Naperville, on behalf of ISKCON Naperville, for all of you, there is nothing less than gratitude. The bottom of our heart today, when we are sitting here, it's all possible because of you all. You all have contributed time, you have contributed resource and everything. But tomorrow, we as a temple devotees, Sanatan Prabhu, please come, please come. Rohini, please come. All of you, please, who's a hard-working volunteer, please come. Countless arts, Sangeeta Mate, please come. They are the three top lead for this fundraiser event. So please give a round of applause. Although it's due tomorrow, but countless hours they have worked. Yesterday midnight, 12:30, Sanatan Prema Prabhu called me and said, Prabhu, can we work for another half an hour? I said, no, I'm done. We'll talk tomorrow. So they are amazing. I just want, you want to say two words?
Hare Krishna, everybody. First of all, gratitude to Hema Malini ji, His Grace Gauranga Prabhu ji for being here with us. And he's putting a lot of words for three of us, but he is one of us too. So please give him a big applause. So we are all here, and then countless devotees in the back who have worked so hard all the time ever since we started this temple from the small house in Oswego. So we are grateful to all the volunteers, all the donors, and of course our honorable guests. Thank you.
Anything more, Sanatan?
So, thank you, and thank you to Hema ji and His Grace Gauranga Prabhu for coming all the way from India and helping us, and of course all of you, we are here. Every year we come after same people over and over again for asking for funds, so definitely, and every year you are here, so thank you everyone.
No, you also say, everybody know how you look, but you want to hear how you speak.
Thank you so much, Hare Krishna. I'm really honored to have a distinguished guest, and I look forward for the event tomorrow. Thank you.
All right, so next few minutes, what we want to do is to have some Q&A. We want to interact it. So please be ready, or we'll take, we have only 20 minutes time. We'll take a few questions. Is there anyone who is ready with instant question? First rain. Oh, you are ready? Are you ready? All right. So question is for Gauranga Prabhu. Okay, you take that. All right. So while you get ready, I have one question for Gauranga Prabhu. I think that everybody asks. Prabhu, IITians, what made you to, and how did you come to Krishna consciousness?
Hare Krishna. So when I was in IIT, I had one of my friends who tried to commit suicide. And then when I asked him why you tried to commit suicide, he said, every exam I was getting the gold medal. In this exam I got silver medal. I could not handle because my mind was addicted to being number one. It could not handle number two. And in the same exam, I had 4 or 5 of my other friends who failed 3-4 subjects. And they were moving around the campus peacefully, blissfully, as if nothing happened, blessing others. So I said, अरे तुम लोग तो बड़े बेशर्म हैं, इतना फेल होके आराम से घूम रहे हो, आपका फिलॉसफी क्या है? और वो बोले अपना फिलॉसफी सिंपल है, कॉलेज में घुसना अपना काम है, निकालना कॉलेज का काम है. So I realized that the Bhagavad Gita is talking about stress as the gap between expectation and reality. The modern education system is only teaching how to get skill, but the Gita is teaching the will. Even if the skill fails, the will take you through. So that's why I joined.
All right. Om Dingraji has a question.
Upstairs, you were saying that your father had some resistance for you to get into ISKCON. So how did you convince him that this is the right path for you?
I could not convince, I just continued. Over a period of time, he also got convinced and he also joined and started chanting.
All right, any question? Okay, you have. Back.
Thank you. Namaskar everyone, actually, everyone who's here. And Prabhu ji, आपके लिए ये प्रश्न है. आपने जब transition किया from your other life or daily routines to this Krishna consciousness, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, what was the turning point and what was the highlight of this experience?
As I said, the turning point was when I realized that the skills don't always work. We need to work on the will. And as Hemaji was explaining, how to use all of our talents for glorifying Krishna. And then the highlight has been that through this experience I've been able to connect to millions and millions of souls and sharing with them that the Bhagavad Gita is a life transforming experience. I gave the Gita to one gentleman. He looked at me and said, Gita is for free. I said, no, it is for 70 rupees. He said, Krishna spoke Gita to Arjuna free. Why you are charging 70 rupees? So I said, Krishna spoke to Arjuna in Kurukshetra. This is Mumbai, 70 rupees is transport charge. So one of the big things is today, people in India are not devoting themselves to try to understand the Bhagavad Gita. Therefore, I must appreciate the efforts which Hema Malini is taking, that being a member of the parliament, she is dedicating herself to glorifying the cause of Krishna, which is most important.
All right, questions. I'm sure, okay, Mamtaji, please.
So, I have a question here for you. What is the difference between karma and bhakti?
मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि कर्म और भक्ति को जोड़ने का काम हेमा जी कर रही है. Her talent she is using in glorifying Krishna, and that is what Bhagavatam says. इदम हि पुंसस तपसा श्रुतस्य वा स्विष्टस्य सुक्तस्य च बुद्धिदत्यो. जो कोई भी भगवान ने कला दी है उनकी सेवा में समर्पित करना.
जैसा बचपन से I started learning dance, and our Indian classical dance is always connected with divinity. So जितना भी हम items वगैरह सीखते हैं सब भगवान के ऊपर ही होता है. Plus born in a Vaishnava family, my parents were very religious. They were doing a lot of puja, part, and then the dances which I was doing, that is also about Lord Krishna and all the gods. So my father, who was not very keen on my learning dance in the beginning, so he got so impressed with all the shlokas what he recites in the morning in front of the God. So I am dancing on that. So he said, wow, you know. So I feel that I have the name, fame I have got from being a celebrity in films. So that cannot go waste. So that has to be utilized. If I was not a dancer, I don't think I'll be doing anything. Nobody will remember me today, except that, oh, इन्होंने शोले में ये पिक्चरों में काम किया है. That's all. The 200 films though I have done. So I feel very proud to belong to this beautiful film industry, which has given birth to innumerable stars. So I'm also one of them. But I want to utilize my talent for a right purpose, so which I did not plan it. But automatically when I started performing, a lot of my friends used to come and say, why don't you make a dance ballet, it will be interesting. So there's a time I had been to Mathura, Vrindavan, just to visit some 25 years back. And a lot of devotees from ISKCON met me there, and especially Suryadas Prabhuji from Bombay Juhu temple. And then they took me all around Vrindavan, Govardhan, Barsana, all the places, and then showed me these are the places where Lord Krishna's pastime, you know, these are the places, important places. So I was very impressed, so I wanted to create a dance ballet out of that. So it will be more easy for me to convey to the people instead of talking a lot. आप लोगों को बहुत explain करना पड़ता है ना, when they do pravachan and all, काफी अच्छी, बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है वो भी, but हमारा dance हम 2 घंटे के अंदर सारा perform कर देते हैं. So a lot of sequences which I gathered from Prabhupadaji's book only, all the books whichever he has written, beautiful sequences of Radha Krishna's Ras, many sequences. Then Jayadeva's Geet Govind, you know, from there also we took many sequences. And then some of the Bhagavad Katha people narrate some sweet incidents, like how Lord Krishna came as a chudiwala just to see Radhaji. So it's a very comedy scene, but it's very funny. But when I perform on the stage, it's very interesting for people to see. See how much he was in love with Radhaji and how he used to get himself disguised and come and meet her. Sometimes he go tattoo bhi. So Radha says, "Mera pura sharir mein Krishna ka naam likh do. That is what I want." You know, like that, all these sequences which creates more interest to the people, and then how they get connected to the Lord. So this is what we perform and show it on the stage. So that is I think that is the will of the God. And also I must say one thing, when I received the Filmfare Award for Lifetime Achievement some years back, so everybody were praising, wow, kya baat hai, you are so great. So I said, then I remembered the shloka from Bhagavad Gita. That is, wherever there is beauty, wherever there is power, wherever there is a strength, and you remember that I reside in them. So without him, we cannot do all these things what we are doing. That shloka is yat yat vibhuti matsatvam Srimat urjitam iva tat tat iva gacchadam tvam mama tejomsa sambhavam. मैं हर जगह मैं रिसाइट करता हूँ. अगर मोदी जी आज इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं हमारे देश के लिए, वो अकेला नहीं कर रहा, पीछे हमारे कृष्ण जी बैठे हैं. Whatever field it is, whether it is a dance, film, everywhere somebody is making a big name, the name doesn't come like that because it is the Lord who wants it. So many people ask me कि आप अभी तक डांस प्रोग्राम कैसे करते हैं? मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, वो करवा रहे हैं. जब तक वो चाहेंगे तब तक मैं करूँगी मैं. This is what I believe in that, and with that belief I am going on in my life. Then I am some help to all of you also. कि मेरी वजह से अगर कुछ फंड कलेक्शन होता है, I am trying to be useful to others in many ways. Thank you so much. Yes, अपना काम है ये. This is not you don't have to feel proud about it. I am being asked to come here, and it's my pleasure to come. Yeah, it's my duty to be with ISKCON and do my best.
And this is definitely occasion now I want to call upon. Here is the sincere effort from Hemaji. Are you putting your own effort for tomorrow? I really looking for each one and every one. Otherwise we'll fail tomorrow. I'm telling you. We have certain goals to meet. Again, definitely we don't want to have a pressure, but we don't want to end up having that kind of event where we don't make it. And the ask is very, very simple. I am looking each one of you and asking you, please, this occasion will not come again. Make effort, make your own little bit contribution. And again, what great to talk about some of you, Dr. Gupta, Neelamji, Praveenji, and all of you, what you have done, Agadi Uncle. So all of you have gone out of the way to help, but tomorrow, not you. On your table, the people are sitting. They should not leave the venue by putting $200 check, being very precise, right? They have to contribute. We want people to contribute based on their status. We are not looking just like any money. That temple won't get built. So sincerely, I'm begging all of you, please help me, please help Sanatana Prabhu, please help this temple. Put a little bit of extra effort, and then Radha Syam Sundar will do the rest. But I just need your everybody's sincere support tomorrow so that all my 40 tables are covered and everybody is motivating everybody else to contribute. So with that, I have a very surprise announcement. There is something, I told you there is something going to happen today, right? Can I tell everyone? Yeah, nobody knows. Dharamji will be joining us over the phone. On the video call, Dharamji will take and talk to us in next few minutes. It is rarest of the rare. he doesn't just not take the calls, right? So you, very good. So yeah. With the special help, Asaji and Rajeshji, they convinced to MRD to take the call. So he will be joining the call in the next few minutes. We have, so for this evening we have some snacks. Please feel free to grab. But we can take a couple of more questions. Does anybody else after me?
So this one for you, Hemali.
Yes, please.
I know traveling and public life by nature is very stressful and unpleasant. What do you find pleasure in all your public life? What is likable to you the most that keeps you going?
Good one. See, if you talk about Hema Malini, who is Hema Malini? I will say I'm divided into three parts. One is as a classical dancer, one a film star, and then as one politician. So dance is my sadhana, and being in films is my career, and politics is my seva. So that is the seva I am doing in Mathura, that too for the Brajavasis. इससे बड़ा और क्या भाग्य हो सकता है किसी का? So I feel that many people criticize or they felt कि how I am going to handle the common people के बीच में जाना, उनसे बात करना, how will I do it? But with the grace of God, I am able to do that, and that gives me so much pleasure. Because even if one small house, some गरीब के घर में light चाहिए, or some roads has to be made, or some facility they need, as a member of parliament, I am trying to help that. That gives me greatest pleasure for me, to be with all the people. Though I am moving with all the biggest, richest people, everyone, but still when I see a little smile in the face of one lady from a small village, that gives me the most maximum happiness.
So Hemaji, so this is something when I was young, 2 movies that, I have seen probably not 200, but maybe 195 of your movies, but 2 movies. One, I was just roaming in Mumbai from Ahmedabad, and I just happened to walk in Opera House, and then I saw Meera. And that movie has captured even after 40 some years later. And second movie was Kinara, where you performed. And we had some other great dancers, but I have been always biased. When last time you were here, I wanted to ask you that what do you think about your performance in Kinara? And I happened to see you again performing in Ahmedabad live.
Kinara, see, when you started speaking about film and all, so I thought you were going to say Sholay and Sita Gita. I was expecting that. And for a change, it was so nice to hear that you like my film Kinara. And other film is Meera. So sweet. Both the films are Gulzarji's. Gulzar is one of the very prominent director from our country. He has contributed a lot of wonderful films, and I happened to work with him in 4 or 5 films of his. Started from Khushbu. Khushbu bhi dekha hoga aapne. But Kinara was very exceptional because he wanted me to play a blind girl who is also performing on the stage. It was a very lovely film. I'm glad you liked it, and it was all Kathak dance उसने किया था. Gopi Krishna ji ने dance choreography किया. और इसके अलावा और भी फिल्मों में बहुत सारे कथक डांस किया है मैंने. दो आई एम ए भरतनाट्यम डांसर. Even in my dance ballet and all which I do, Radha Ras Bihari, because we are used to be the north, because Mathura is in Uttar Pradesh, so I can't do Bharatanatyam in that. So my dance full style is all Kathak. So we do beautiful Kathak items in that and also in Draupadi. द्रौपदी में भी इतना सुंदर सा एक कथक नंबर है, ऐसा डांस के साथ बहुत कुछ प्रस्तुत करने का अवसर मिलता है मुझे, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू लाइक दोज फिल्म्स. नहीं, द्रौपदी इज a dance ballet that I have performed here in US also. मैंने किया है यहाँ पे द्रौपदी, माँ दुर्गा के ऊपर. हाँ जी, दुर्गा also, महालक्ष्मी also, राधा रास बिहारी, सब कुछ किया है. अभी अगले साल हम आएंगे गंगा जी के साथ. क्या
Namaskar Hema ji, this is Vandana Jingal. There are 3 Hemas you said. So my question comes to the third Hema, who is a career politician now from Mathura. Since your career is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and you chose Uttam Pradesh, which Yogi is going to name it now because he is in fond of changing names from Uttar Pradesh to Uttam Pradesh. It is worth visiting now, the way things are. What made you to pick up Mathura instead of any state in Maharashtra?
That is the influence of ISKCON. Some years back when I went, I told you, people went round and showed me all the places, and that time I felt कि लॉर्ड कृष्णा की जगह है तो और अच्छा होना चाहिए, बिकॉज आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद भी हमारे देश में इम्प्रूवमेंट कुछ नहीं हुआ था. इट्स वेरी सैड टू से दैट, यू नो, बट वंस मोदी जी केम एज पीएम, तो 2014 से आप देखिए जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो इंडिया में हुआ है वो पहले कभी नहीं था. हर जगह, हर एवरीवेयर ही हैज ट्रांसफॉर्म. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी. सो उस वक्त से मेरा मन में था कि फर्स्ट आई वाज गिवन द राज्यसभा में मेंबर बनाया था. अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने मुझे ऑनररी जो मिलता है वो एज अ मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा. Then I was going for campaigning for BJP all over India. Everywhere they used to call me, I used to go. That is also a सेवा for the country, ना, देश के लिए. क्योंकि बहुत सारे कलाकार हैं जो अपना फिल्म स्टार का वो स्टेटस छोड़ के एक नॉर्मल इंसान बन के पब्लिक में जाना नहीं चाहते हैं. They won't like to do that. But मुझे बुलाया तो आई एम रेडी, यस. और मुझे मेरी वजह से बहुत सारे लोग जीत भी गए थे. So my BJP, all my party members were very happy with me. And then my Rajya Sabha post got over. उसके बाद 6 years का टर्म होता, खत्म होने के बाद कहा कि अभी क्या करेंगे आप, अभी now you fight election. I don't know to fight election and all. That's a very tough job. So I have to be with the people, in the middle of the people. I have to go and I don't know ABC of what is being an MP from any constituency and what kind of work I have to do. मुझे नहीं मालूम है. But then मेरे घर में भी मेरा मम्मी जी हमेशा मुझे प्रोत्साहित करने वाली है. Always she used to inspire. Come on, बोलो कुछ. So then I said, okay, I'm ready. Because that's the time Dharamji also became an MP from Bikaner. So Dharamji was finding it very difficult because of the distance was too much. From Delhi to Bikaner, Jana Ana, but Mathura is much shorter. Anyway, so I said कि उनको थोड़ा सा तकलीफ भी हुआ था. मैं भी I want experience at least being an MP क्या होता क्या है. So I said okay, ठीक है. So they gave me नोएडा, गाजियाबाद, मथुरा नहीं बोल रहे थे, मथुरा का नाम भी नहीं ले रहे थे. पता नहीं कहा, अगर मैं बॉम्बे में रहने वाली, वहाँ पे फिल्म शूटिंग और मेरा पूरा लाइफ उधर है, तो मैं अचानक मथुरा में उत्तर प्रदेश में कहाँ जाऊँ. तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मथुरा में अगर आप देंगे तो I would like to, because this will be the chance for me to transform lot of work I can do to improve that our Braj का सेवा कर सकूंगी। ये भाव मन में आया, ये भाव भी कृष्ण ने डाला होगा अंदर कि तुम्हारा काम ऐसे फिल्म स्टार हो गया, एक डांसर है, नाउ ये काम करो। तो ये काम के लिए मुझे लेकर आए हैं भगवान ने। तो फिर मैंने आज फॉर मथुरा से चाहिए मुझे टिकट, तो मैं आई एम रेडी, देन आई विल फाइट, देन दे गिव मी। So it was a challenge for me actually to be in Uttar Pradesh, because those days they used to say Uttar Pradesh में उल्टा प्रदेश नाम उनका उल्टा प्रदेश था। बट हमारे मोदी जी आके, फिर योगी जी आके, जो उन्होंने चेंज किया है हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश का नाम, इतना रोशन किया है। जो अयोध्या में जो मंदिर बना है, कितना सुंदर सा मंदिर बना है, मास्टरपीस, ये सब देखने लायक है। आप लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं, मेरे ख्याल में आप लोग कोई तो आया होगा, अयोध्या जाके देखा भी होगा, दर्शन किया राम जी का। तो इतना अच्छा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, देन बनारस में कितना चेंज आया है ना, विश्वनाथ मंदिर कॉरिडोर। अभी आपको एक गुड न्यूज़ बताना है कि बाकी बिहारी कॉरिडोर बनने के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अलाउ कर दिया है। तो बाकी बिहारी इलाके का बहुत अच्छा सा एक कॉरिडोर वहाँ पे भी बनने वाला है। सो मेनी पीपल कंप्लेन कि वहाँ पे चलने के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, थोड़ा गंदा है, लॉट ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स दे डू, बट आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट इन माय हैंड। बिकॉज वहाँ के जो गोस्वामी जी है, नाउ फाइनली दे हैव टू से यस नाउ फॉर दिस, बिकॉज सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज एग्रीड। So that is what I am happy that I am doing some work, good work in Mathura.
Thank you, Hemantji. Thank you, Gaurav Prabhu. I know everybody is itching to get the pictures. So we will take a few minutes to take the pictures, and also please grab bites over there. So there is food, they are warming multiple times, and then some pictures. And we have about 8 minutes before we get into call with Dharamji. Yeah. All right. So please. See, so please come. Don't shy away. If anybody, please feel free. This is your occasion. She is came for you. Please come forward.
Lots of love and respect to my friends from Chicago. Doing good deed. I'm very happy. I wish I could make it along with Papu and Imam, but I couldn't. Next time, in coming future, I may come and see you. I love your city. It's lovely, Chicago. I have been to there, and good. And ये तो सब आप मंदिर के लिए कर रहे हैं, बहुत खुशी की बात है। और मेरी दुआएं, मेरा प्यार, बड़ा हूँ आपसे, हमेशा आपके साथ रहेंगी। आप सब खुश रहिए, जीते रहिए और ऐसे नए कामों में लगे रहिए।
Yeah, I want to talk. कुछ यहाँ कुछ लोग आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं, 1-2 क्वेश्चन है धर्म जी।
जी।
अच्छा, ये लीजिए, पंजाबी में कुछ।
भाजी मैं अमृतसर तो हूँ, मेरा नाम है रवि ओबराय, मैं अमृतसर। मैं थोड़ी हर फिल्म देखी है, पहली फिल्म लगे दिल भी तेरा हम भी तेरे तो शुरू हुई था।
Oh my God!
And
रवि, मैं एक शेर बोल देता हूँ कि मोहब्बत आपकी न देती रोशनी घर मेरे नाम को, कैसे बनता धर्म है आपका, पहुँचता कैसे इस मुकाम को। आपको फिर प्यार दिया है इतना मुझे, और इस इतने लंबे अरसे तक कौन किसको प्यार देता है, और मैं उससे भी ज्यादा आप सबसे प्यार करता हूँ रवि। और मेरी दुआएं हैं आप सब अपने अपने शोबे में, अपने अपने काम में खूब तरक्की करें।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ਤੁਹਾਡਾ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ਤੁਹਾਡਾ।
धर्म जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन है, धर्म एक ही हो सकता है, कैन देयर बी सेकंड धर्म?
कैसे बनता धर्म है आपका? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सबने मिलकर जो ये टेंपल के लिए आप कर रहे हैं, बहुत खुशी की बात है। एंड आई विश पप्पू एंड हेमा ए हैप्पी एंड safe trip back to India. Love you all.
Thank you.
And good. I'm very happy. They are so good, feeling so good with you all and your company.
You wanted to talk, that lady.
Asha ji, question.
Look here and talk. Look here. यहाँ पे।
नमस्कार धर्म जी।
हाँ जी नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप?
मेरे हस्बैंड, उनका नाम है राजेश खन्ना, and he is so much fan of you. Always talk about you and really wanted to see you and Hema ji and you and talk to you, but he is in India right now. So ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਜੱਟ ਸਿੱਖ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਹੋ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ। This is his main thing, but it was so nice to see Hema ji.
So sweet. आप लोगों ने जो प्यार दिया है बड़े मुकद्दर वालों को मिलता है, और मैं उससे भी ज्यादा प्यार देता हूँ आप सबको। आप ही हैं जो वो सुनता है, ऊपर वाला सुनता है आपका प्यार, आपकी दुआएं वो जल्दी से सुन लेता है। जो नेक आत्मा से दुआएं जाती हैं ना, वो बहुत पुरस्कार होती हैं।
It's very nice to see you and talk to you and
जी wish good luck।
wishing you all the best and good health and
आप सबने बाहर जाकर जो मकाम बनाया ना, ये भी काबिल तारीफ है। ये हिम्मत, ये हौसला जो आप में है, ये इसकी अपनी जगह एक मिसाल है। आप लोगों ने, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू।
उनका कॉमेडी का पार्ट था।
So I know Om ji will not be allowed to take picture. They have enough. But this is what people everyone wants. ठीक। Alright. So Om ji उनको कर लेने दीजिए। ठीक। उनको ले लें। ठीक है प्रभु, आप फटाफट फोटोग्राफर्स प्लीज क्लिक फास्ट हो गया प्रभु, हो गया। ले टू
He was so keen, he kept on talking to me. Exactly, I told Dharam ji, ये आपको इतना पसंद करते हैं, मैं बात करूँगा ना, ऐसा बोला। That's why I was looking for your husband very much.
ठीक, आगा दी।
बोला कि नहीं अभी गए क्या?
थोड़ा हमारा भी लीजिएगा अभी।
बस
ना